Hi, resident builder Peter Wolfkamp, and today I'm here at the STÄRKE factory in Auckland to have a look at Ambiance uPVC joinery. I'll show you how it's made. Come with me.
Peter,
Benji, good to see you.
how are you? Welcome to the uPVC Ambiance factory.
So it all starts here.
It all starts here. Profiles coming in from Germany.
Yep.
And then we begin to machine them. So this machine takes the profiles.
Yep.
Machines the holes, the handle holes,
Yes.
the drainage holes, cuts the miters and spits out cut lengths out of the other end. The next stage is the steel insertion,
Yes.
which gets inserted up the inside of the profile.
Yep.
And then onto this machine for the screwing off.
And that's all automated.
All automated,
Yep.
so every profile is steel inserted and then screwed at about 300mm centers for strength.
And then we've got our individual components, so typically 4 sides to a window.
4 sides to a window generally.
Here they are here.
You see them here, and that is ready for the next process, which is probably the key to it all, the welding machine, four-headed
Right.
welding.
And that's radically different to how we've done windows for a long time.
Absolutely. It's also the secret to the performance,
Yep.
the air tightness, the water tightness, and the acoustic performance all comes from that very tight welded connection.
That happens here.
Yep.
Frame is made and then
Frame moves along automatically on
Yes.
this robotic arm,
yep.
and it's grabbed and feed into the cleaning, we call it the corner cleaning machine. So after the weld there's a bit of a burr,
Yep.
the corner cleans that up, leaves a very tight, clean miter join.
And then, so that's now completely assembled sash.
Correct. Gets batched into these trolleys, ready for final assembly and hardware. So the hardware tables are where all the tilt and turn and awning mechanisms are put together.
All the latches.
It's the hardware that really makes the windows come
Yes.
to life, whether it's a sliding door, awning window, or a tilt and turn. And from there they move to the what we call the wedding tables,
Yep.
where the frame and the sash
Right.
come together. So you can see these frames, these are sliding door frames,
Yep.
are ready to be inserted into the sliding door.
Right.
Another sample is here of a window where the
Sort of
awning
walking there.
sashes and the frames are coming together and being fixed.
So we've got some fabrication happening there, and then here, this is what, mocking them up.
So
testing.
here all the sliding doors will mock them up, make sure
Wow.
everything's square, hardware's all working perfectly
Yep.
before it gets to site. And from there it comes onto our sillages along
Yes.
with the rest of the window joinery, and that is what gets packaged up and sent out to site.
Yep.
And we see no glazing there, so
Yeah, sure.
nice and easy for the builders to install, or for our install team, and our glazing team will turn up the next day
Yep.
and put all the glass in, and from there we're done.
Hey Benji, thanks very much for your time today. Really
you, Peter.
appreciate it. Some fantastic insights, and yeah, it's opened my eyes to how it all goes together.
Excellent to
Really
have you
appreciate
here.
it. Nice to
Thank
see
you.
you. The factory tour has given me a really valuable insight into the componentry, the technology, the innovation that goes into making warm, dry, comfortable, high performance joinery. To find out more, go to ambiance.co.nz.